Okay, so this is the transmission. This is where you would drain the fluid at. You can hear the ticking coming from there with a stethoscope. And looks like that's the filter for the fluid. And I'll let you listen to the noise. Go! Just shift it into drive. Go! Shift it into reverse. Can that you could drop to change fluid. 2013 Nissan Sentra. Third transmission and 112,000 miles. Well, my second one, but I'll be getting my third one soon.
Just don't bother me.
Go! Shifted gears again. Go!